I got banned on YouTube, and some of you noticed. I got my account back anyway within 6 hours, but it got me thinking. Now, if you guys enjoy my content, it is really important you watch this video, because I want to tell you what happened, why it happened, how I got my account back, and the action you can take right now so you don't miss out on any of my content. All right, let's get started. You guys have been requesting for the Zeta 2 airdrop video, so I went ahead and made that video. I was still in my office when I published the video. I published the video around 6:20 p.m., closed my laptop and went home. Now, on my way home, I was called that my daughter, my 5-month-old daughter, was coughing, that she needs to go to the hospital. I was already on my way home, so I said, all right, I'm on my way home already. So I got home, we were getting ready to take her to the hospital. Then a friend of mine called me. He was like, and this was around 7 p.m. and he was like, guy, check your YouTube. I said, what happened? He said, just check your YouTube. So I went on YouTube, but I didn't find my channel. I checked the YouTube Studio app. I could not find the channel. It was like gone. What? Now, I was still trying to process what happened. And the same guy called me back and he said, did you see it? What happened? I said, I don't know. He was like, I was trying to check a video of yours and I saw nothing. And I just said, you know what, just wait. Let me just check my email and process this whole thing. So I hung up, went to my email, and I saw this. Hi, Jude Umeano. We have reviewed your content and found severe or repeated violation of our harmful and dangerous policy. Because of this, we have removed your channel from YouTube. Content that encourages illegal activities or incites users to violate YouTube guidelines is not allowed on YouTube. We use a combination of automated system and human reviews to detect violations of community guidelines. We have permanently removed your channel from YouTube. Going forward, you won't be able to access, possess, or create any other YouTube channel. There are steps you can take if you want to appeal this decision. 1 is review YouTube guideline. 2 is appeal. And 3, learn about resolution. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us here. Sincerely, the YouTube team. I went and checked out the YouTube harmful and dangerous policy. It included extremely dangerous challenge, dangerous or threatening pranks, harmful or dangerous acts, minor participating in dangerous activities, instruction to kill or harm, explosive, firearms, instructional theft, hacking, bypassing payment for digital content or services, phishing, and illegal or regulated product or services. Now, I don't in any way create content like this on my channel, so this must be an automated system that flagged my channel. But at this time, I was already driving to the hospital, and when I got back, I clicked on the appeal button, stated that I have read the harmful and dangerous policy and I don't see anywhere my channel violates it. My audiences love my content and I have never had a warning of violation from YouTube. I spend a lot of time and effort creating my content. If you, YouTube, could point me to the violating video, I will readily take it down. I submitted this request and I was pretty worried because, guys, I have spent a lot of time and effort creating content on YouTube. My largest community is here. I have not grown Twitter, I have not grown TikTok, I have not grown Instagram. It's just YouTube. What if I don't get this channel back? The first thing I did when I woke up the next morning was to check my email. Jude Umeano, we have reached a decision on you. At this point, I don't know if you guys can relate to what I was feeling right now. The decision could be you are good, we made a mistake, or you are not good and your channel is gone. So I took a pause before I opened the email, and when I opened it, it said, hi Jude Umeano, we have reviewed your appeal for the following channel, Jude Umeano. After taking another look, we can confirm that your channel does not violate our community guideline. If you have any further question, please feel free to reach out to us here. Thank you, the YouTube team. Now, that was a relief, a big relief. But that was not all, because my Zeta 2 video was taken down. Apparently, that video violated the policy and my channel now had a strike. I cannot publish a video within a week. If I have 2 more strike within 90 days, my channel will permanently be terminated from YouTube.
No! God, please, no!
And I have 4 options. 1 is to do nothing. 2, take a training. 3, appeal. 4, take the training and then appeal. So I took the training, and from the training, I found out why the video was taken down. The violation was either for instructional theft or bypassing payments for digital content or service. I don't know which it was. Now look at it this way. If there is a software users need to pay for, and I make a video about it to show how to hack into the software or to use a cheat code to get that software for free, that is a violation. In my Zeta 2 video, there are 2 ways to farm the airdrop. One will cost $42 and the other will cost $9. So I made the video on how to use the cheaper option, stating that there is a 42 option which you are saved from. So you are saving money. But this is not a violation because it is not a hack into the platform, neither is it a cheat code or anything like that. There are 2 options on the platform. I'm just showing how to use the cheaper and more affordable option. So I appealed the strike, and within 24 hours, I got another email saying this. Hi Jude, we have reviewed your appeal for the following video, Zeta 2. After taking another look, we confirm that your content does not violate our community guideline. Thanks for your patience while we review this appeal. Our goal is to make sure content doesn't violate our community guidelines so that YouTube can be a safe place for all. And sometimes we make mistake trying to get it right. We are sorry for any frustration our mistake caused you, and we appreciate you letting us know. We have reinserted your content. If you have any further question, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks, the YouTube team. That was how the restriction was removed, and the video is now back on YouTube. You can watch it right now. I'll leave the link in the description. So what is my takeaway from this, and why was it important that you watch this video? Number 1 is this: I should be careful with the way I use words on YouTube, because it was my wording that made YouTube automation pick that video as a violation. Again, you can watch that video and pay attention to the way I use words there. And number 2 is this: I need to start growing other social media channel. As a matter of fact, I have started growing them, especially Twitter, X. So all the videos that I publish here on YouTube, I am also publishing them on Twitter. And I'm even doing more on Twitter because Twitter allows me to hold spaces, drop tips and urgent information that I don't have to start making videos for, and I can have one-on-one conversation with you guys on Twitter. So if you enjoy my content here on YouTube, go to X right now and follow me. The handle is @Umeano. I will also leave the link in the description. So guys, follow me on all my social media accounts, so it's not just be solely YouTube. That said, I have a bunch of node videos and how to trade crypto videos that I am making right now, so stay tuned to get them.